Night photography on its own is probably my favorite style. It's almost impossible to leave a photo shoot at night and not have a good photograph. Long exposures, that slow shutter speed creating the mirror and reflective effect on our river gives us an immaculate photo to start with. If slowing down your shutter speed isn't enough, bring out a speed light, or alternatively just a normal flashlight. Have someone with you, have them flash you with the speed light or shine the flashlight on you repeatedly. What you're going to start getting then is that beautiful background and a beautiful crisp photo of you in it. The other thing you can actually start doing with night photography, which is a lot of fun, is light painting. One of the things I try to do every time I run a workshop is challenge every student in our workshops to paint their name backwards using light. So if you want to achieve this wonderful light painting fun when you're shooting at night, all you need is the flashlight on your phone. Have a slow shutter speed with your camera on a tripod aiming where you want the photo to be, and just walk in front of the camera and write your name backwards. As long as you keep moving, you'll vanish from the photograph, but light that travels a lot slower will remain. Anything with light is going to stay in that slow shutter speed, and if you can write your name backwards, you're halfway there to a fantastic time shooting at night.